good. Now Kim, if you look ahead on your left, there's a big green signboard there telling you about the road. Look further up there. Can you see it?
There's two.
It's 2 lanes over there, and keep your hand on the steering. The left lane, you got 1 arrow going left, means the left lane is only for going where?
Left.
And the right lane is only to go where?
Right.
So now from here, forward planning, observation, anticipation planning, we can now decide it that the left lane is only for the left turning and the right is only for the right turning. Is that clear so far? Yeah? Right, good. So now when it's safe to do so, keep accelerating but change your lane to the right, please, for me, because we're going to be turning right at the next traffic light. Right, good. And I can see your signal, but keep it to the right, more towards the right. So we can see the right lane is only for the right turning, and the left staying towards the right. If you're not driving the right lane, you keep your car near to the right curb like this. So we're turning right at the traffic light. What do we need to do now?
Positioning and
Right, good. Okay, now can you see the arrows there? The left, the red car and the other car is, they can only go where?
left.
And we can only go right. But when we're going right, Kim, this time, instead of going to the right, we can go towards the left lane now. So you can go towards the left lane. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Why? Because we know there is safety there though. Do you understand?
Yeah.